time is 9:55. We're just now starting up on a big uproot that I put in a short the other day. It rained like crazy yesterday. You can tell by the sky behind me, it's dark. So I'm going to show you from start to finish and stop about every 10 minutes to show you what we're doing. This is what I told him to do. I told him to grind the outer crest first. Then we'll push this dirt in, come from the side to side and be able to get closer and get into this. This is a big uproot. They only have access to it by 3 sides, not the 4th. The 4th up row is right here by the fence, so you can't come in from behind. Alright, so he's only been grinding 1 minute. See you back in 10. Alright, we're at 8 minutes in. He did this outer shell here, the shelf. Alright, so all those root systems ground there. He came in from this side, blew out that side of the hill. Now he's on the other side, he's going to blow that. After he's done with that, we'll drop a blade and move around till we can get more in. So I'll see you in another 10 minutes, or 8 minutes. We're 19 minutes in. We're going to start moving the dirt, bringing it over here, take that dirt, bring it over here so we get closer to the stump, and then we'll start working our way in. 19 minutes in. We're at the 30-minute mark. Both sides have been ground. Still got this side here to come in here, fill it in so we can come in. This side he's chiseling away at it. We're almost through the whole dirt mound at the 30-minute mark. 47 minutes in. Alright, this side is all pushed in. We'll grab that dirt from this side. Other side, I need to have the dirt moved. It's 1 hour and 6 minutes. We're done grinding. Now I gotta do grading. And I'll use the grinder blade to fluff up stuff while I'm grading. The hour and a half mark, what we're doing right now is like a regrind to fluff and have it easier to move with the blade or a rake. So we're coming in and we're going towards the fence. And if you got a small machine, it's just a little hint. You got a rake and do stuff like that. You can regrind 2 inches down, move all the chips around, or if you take it away the chips, normally doing the grinding, the compaction from your machine's tires or tracks, just come back over it with a 2-inch grind at the top, fluff it, and it'll move or remove real easy with a skid steer or your blade or a shovel or rake. Alright, so I'll show you a picture when we're totally done.